is going to make tropical smoothies today. We were at HEB and they had a good sale on pineapples.
Just use a small one.
So-
And put this.
We've got one banana. Bananas are always good to put in smoothies because it kind of thickens it up a little bit.
Yeah. Strawberry.
Strawberries, there's one. Two pretty large strawberries.
Pineapple.
Pineapples. Like I said, this was fresh pineapple.
Yeah. Oh, it's fresh.
So it's about 7 to 8 pretty good chunks. And another half a strawberry. So that looks like maybe 4 ounces of fresh orange juice. All right, so we got about 4 ice cubes. Those are fairly small ice cubes. Put it in the blender.
See, it's easy.
Pretty simple. Oh gosh, we also bought blueberries and I think blackberries.
Next time we can get some blueberry.
Now you could also, if you had vanilla ice cream, you could put a little bit of ice cream in there, maybe instead of the ice cubes. Thank you. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice and thick. And not too sweet, that's what's important.
Yeah. No sugar.
No, yeah, just all natural. Okay, so I just made this dessert fruit pizza, and we had some leftover berries and fruit, so I'm gonna make another smoothie to kind of add. I think the one Catherine made was kind of a tropical, so we're gonna go for a big berry blast, antioxidants. I've got 1/4 cup of blackberries, maybe a 1/2 cup. About a 1/4 cup of blueberries. And the same 1/4 cup or so of strawberries. So what's great about this is no sugar. I would recommend always using a banana because it makes it a nice thick, which I like. I'm gonna put about a 1/2 a banana because this was pretty big. About a 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. And we got room for some more berries. You know, what you want to do is just make sure your blender's full, and then always leave a little bit of room for some crushed ice. Okay, we'll put the top on. Mix this till it's all nice and smooth. Even Steven. This has a little bit more, so I'll take that one. So good on a hot day. It's in the 90s out here today, so this is really nice. Okay, two different kind of smoothies. You can make whatever fruit you have.
If you like recipe, please give me that. And
subscribe to Ed
Subscribe
Foodie.
Ed Foodie.